Whakalawhalahi atu. Hanei e tau wala tala tutupu ke lata mai awhiawhi nei. Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, kua mau atu e taha pusi fōu ke laumatai atu e ke he tau le kua tupu whakaofo ki Moana. A new search and rescue vessel has finally been received for emergencies at sea. Hohoku atu e whalu tau whāna fuata me at Pasifika ke lata mai tau whakakuanga mai tau whakaroanga ngā hua whanua I Vanuatu. Youth gather in Vanuatu for a leadership exchange discussing sustainable and resilient agriculture. Kua whai uina tuai ne kua maua mai he matakau ni leweke atu e do whiu along ma mawha he Commonwealth Games, kua tuku mai e ke tahatangata niwi ke whakawhiri atu e ke tau whetoko ia. A new sports official has received an invitation to adjudicate weightlifting competition at next year's Commonwealth Games. Kua maua mai e taha pusi fōu ke laumatai atu ai ke tau le kua tutupu whakaofo ki Moana ne kua fuaki mai e New Zealand ke lata I Moniwe. Talahau e he komisina tokolunga New Zealand ko Ross Ardern we tahania kaloa nei ne kua leva e manako ke maua mai ke lata me mutu tali mai fuki he mga hone tukitek leo leo ia. Taha fuki e of mamafa koe tu leke tāne ko tamai ke langmatai ke toho ke posi nei, mai ke toka ki lalo hefo he lewe kiang he whahinga hua leo leo. Moe mai ke fuki whalo ta whahinga hua ke whakaonga tu ke whahi custom po ke tu whahi pusika. Ne tālanga e posi nei Klosiosi me whai mga aho he whakataitai ai tō tamai ai he whakatonga. Wa kamata tālanga fuki e whale ke toka e dokoloa nei ki ai I whunua kula, mai whai maweheanga ne kua tupu atu ke he whahinga hua, po ke tau whahinga hua ke he kehe ne kua amana ke whakaonga. Amana ke whakauru ai e pusi nei ke aho hongwhama walu iau ke topa koe whahi tapu hawa ia, moe mai ke hawhani atu ke whakaonga. Niue has finally received a search and rescue vessel to assist with emergency rescue missions at sea. The custom-built boat comes with a tractor and it has been funded by New Zealand. It was built in Christchurch and taken through a few test trials before being shipped to Niue. New Zealand High Commissioner His Excellency Ross Ardern.
It can safely take half a dozen people without any difficulties at all. I think the minimum crew set will be 4. All of those people will have to be qualified. Some have already been down to New Zealand and become qualified to skipper the boat. We need to now get people qualified to actually crew the boat and to get skippers qualified to drive the boat. That is an important part of it, and we've been working closely with Maritime New Zealand and with your maritime officials in Niue to make sure that we get that aspect of it right. It's not a question of just putting the boat in the water and taking it out. It's a specialised craft for specialised work, so we have to specialise skills to make it work. The boat has the capacity to be able to tow. It can take 400 plus litres of fuel. It's got 350 horsepower on the back of it. It's about 8.4 metres long. It's got stretcher capacity on it, lifeboats, all of the rescue things that you can think of and which we've received advice on from Niue, we hope we've incorporated in the vessel. As part of the project, we've also got under construction up by the Public Service Building a shed for the boat and a shed for the tractor that you can see which will safely tow the boat. All of the New Zealand programs now have to be compliant with New Zealand health and safety regulations that we hand over property to Niue, and hence the reason for the tractor. It's a very heavy boat and we have to have something capable of towing it up and down that hill safely. The tractor will do that.
This New Zealand funded project cost a significant amount, but it is a worthy investment that will help save lives. A realisation of years of planning and discussions that has been a long time coming.
Its genesis goes back to when I was the Chief of Police here and had wanted a rescue craft for Niue, and we have now got to the position where that's actually been acquired. It will be under the control of the Niue Police Department, but working in an arrangement with other government departments as well. So primarily, while it's a rescue boat, it will have other tasks as well in order to make sure that it gets plenty of sea time. Well, we've consulted widely with all of the charter operators in Niue. They've all had an opportunity to have a little bit of input into it. Some have, some haven't. But we hope that the boat will meet all of the conditions that Niue can normally throw at it. Of course, there are going to be times when there are going to be extraordinary sea conditions that it won't cater for, but we hope with the skilled skippers that we have on this island that the boat will get good use.
A memorandum of understanding or agreement has been signed between Customs, Immigration, Fisheries and Police to utilise this vessel. An official launch will be held on Wednesday the 18th of October and then it will be open for use. Ko hoku atu i whala tau whāta mai he atu Pasifika ke lata mai tāwhakakuanga ke motu ko Vanuatu mai ononoanga ke tau puhala ke whakauhoho tau whāta ke whakamauhefo i tau puhala ngā huwhanua. Ko ni whai pau male mo Anzac Mokole ni ko whiwhiri ke watu whalataha mai taha he tu tangata ngā hua mai he mdakau whakasese mako he motu ko Alana tuku niu. Ko whiwhiri ai a laua nei ha kua tūmau ke kau whalataha ke he tau whakakuanga mai tau ngā hua he mdakau niofa pia fuki mai whalu whakakuanga mai mdakau Poetcom. Koe whakakuanga nei ni wa hoku atu fuki e te hukui mai he atulunga koe motu ko Fisi, Marshall Islands pia fuki mo Vanuatu. Ilo mai kua mai ke te whanau nei, ke tau sei whalua tau whakatata, ke te mena ni ko whakako ke halutula tau motu, mai whetu whatuwhaki he tau Lota Matala. Young leaders from the Pacific are in a youth leadership exchange training in Vanuatu this week that focuses on resilient and sustainable agriculture. The one-week training course comes under the CTA Youth Leading Learning in Resilient Agricultural Practices project that aims to equip young farmers with video recording skills to document resilient practices that can be shared. Nifai Paul Male and Anzac Mokole have been selected to represent Niue because they have consistently been part of training sessions and capacity building projects with the Niue Island Organic Farmers Association. There were also participants from the Cook Islands, Fiji, Marshall Islands and Vanuatu. Matala he motu hakua whai uina ni kua tuku atu ke hoku atu e taha tangata Niue ke whakawhire ki lātu mai to whewalanga ki mamawha ke he Commonwealth Games ka whakahoku e ki Australia he tuka hau. Ko Alan Tano Puleose ko e taha nā pulotu ko lahi e handonga hua ki te whai spot he motu moi ko mua atu ke he tau whewalanga ki mamawha. Anei ko whai katofa ni kua tuku atu ai ke ia mai toko ngā hoa fuke tu tangata mai Pasifika ni kua maha ni ke hoku atu ai ke tu tuang pehenei. Whakatu tāla mo ia ke ilo kwa whiwhi e hana tu mana tu ke he tu whikau mo e lewa fuke he ngā hua ki ai.
Mōre e humari mai tau he whenga he ngā hua ka mata he level 3 ka tu rewhiri. Hā ke whaha ke level 2 to hoke level 1. Koe hoko leo ke level 1 he test for hose e Commonwealth Youth Games i apia tu mamamot. Si mua mo ia e level 1 ia. Loi hal ka ne whenga. Koe referee a ka ke ka mata e tau hau. Ka koa mai ke tika hake nof e jury ka beni ku e jury e tau mongo a whahoko e tu wheua e. Mai ka putu hamuna wha lahi ke toru e group. Osi mea ka hae group 1 o ki oki take over the group e tau category ka mna longa e tau category. Si bi lewa e whenga o e tau Pacific Games. Na wala matai whoki ni ka hae. Tau mo e au e tau mo ia. CDM he kaua Niue, si mai ke muia ke lambatai ka he kuire peri he tau Pacific Games he Pasifika.
Ko tau whewa spot e hatu Pasifika, ko hoko sea ke uatu mai lamatai ai ke he whalu mngaho, mai whakaako ai whakahanga, kai ki sia toko ngā hoalo tūru. Mai Pasifika ni kua mai kei ke hohoku atu fuki ke lamatai, mai manako lohi mtakau he Commonwealth Games ke whalaulahi atu fuki.
Naki toko longa lohi ke Pasifika. Ko tāmane ne whai lari ka hama turu ke muatu ki tau whiwhine. Ke lambatai e tuko Pasifika ka ke tuku ke level 3. Ko tēne mo nei ko whita tēne ka mata level 3, ko spit ko hoke level 2, mo sio. Ni ko ka mata ke level 3 a sio e tau ka mori i supa. Si laulahi ni ki osi nei lai si ai continue on, bi ni mi. Ai longa lahi Pasifika. Kai longa lahi ki tau motu ke tamina lahi ni lari e kau ke wara tua tu mau ka hake tau pālengi ka peki tu Pacific Games. Ako lahi kia whai ane whampai. Si ai loko hea Pasifika ni wha ukai. Ke lawi ni hae e tu mongo ine ka mata i ka haka mna tu tungi ni tanga. Ako e mne hoke level 1 ka haka tu tungi osi te IWF e tau travel hosi ka pehe ke o ke le whiri ke vrengoa international technical official.
Koe tau ngā hua, ne kua hanga wa tikiai ke loli ke langmatai, mai whakahoho atu fuki ke whalutu tangata niwi, ke tau whakakuanga, mo e tau kotofa pehene, ke langmatai atu ke tau whiua he ta mga hui mua. With 6 months to go until the Commonwealth Games, a Niue sports person has received an invitation to be a weightlifting official. Alan Tanopuliosi is the first Niuean to be appointed as an officer at the Commonwealth Games, and he has accepted an invitation from the International Weightlifting Federation. In his various capacities within the local sporting scene, as an athlete, coach, mentor, and formerly the NISCA president, this latest development is the culmination of years of preparation. There is also an apparent shortage of weightlifting officials, especially from the Pacific, and Mr. Puliosi says that the push now is to try and get more people certified to assist with international competitions. It has been more than a decade since he started on practical and theory-based certificates as a weightlifting technical official. He has assisted in regional games, but this is another level that he hopes others will also pursue. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Do join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Pēnā e te wala tālu tupu ne ko mō mai ke lata mai a whiwhinei, a mana ki liriu whilewe penei fōki ki a whiwhi hatu loto. Nono whā, nene po tō liriu ke whilewe.